Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the wild and wonderfully weird world of Roblox, specifically a game that's been making some serious waves. Steal a Brainrot now. I know that title might sound a little intense, but trust me, it's all in good fun and a testament to the creative chaos that Roblox players can cook up. We're going to explore what makes this game so captivating, the unique challenges it presents, and why it's become such a talking point among the Roblox community. So what exactly is Steal a Brainrot? At its core, it's a game that thrives on a blend of strategy, quick thinking, and a healthy dose of silliness. The premise is simple. You're tasked with stealing something intangible, a Brainrot, from other players. This isn't about physical theft. It's more about outsmarting, outmaneuvering, and generally being the most clever player in the virtual arena. The Brainrot itself is a metaphorical concept, representing a kind of viral, often humorous, trend or idea that spreads rapidly within the game's community. Think of it like catching the latest internet meme before anyone else, but in a competitive Roblox environment. The game's genius lies in its emergent gameplay. There aren't always strict, predefined paths to victory. Instead, players are encouraged to experiment, to find loopholes, and to develop their own unique strategies. This freedom is what makes Steal a Brainrot so replayable and so engaging. You might think you've figured out the ultimate way to snag a Brainrot, only to have another player come along with a completely unexpected tactic that leaves you scratching your head in the best possible way, of course. One of the most fascinating aspects of this game is how it taps into the collective consciousness of the Roblox player base. The Brainrots themselves are often inspired by popular culture, internet trends, and even inside jokes that only Roblox players would truly understand. This creates a sense of shared experience and community. When you successfully steal a Brainrot, it feels like you've not only won a round but also become part of a larger, ongoing narrative within the game. It's a digital scavenger hunt for the most current and amusing ideas. The developers of Steal a Brainrot have done an excellent job of fostering an environment where creativity is rewarded. They've built a framework that allows for constant evolution, meaning the game never really gets stale. New Brainrots can be introduced, existing ones can be tweaked, and the very definition of what it means to steal one can shift over time. This dynamic nature is crucial for any game that aims to keep players coming back for more. It's a living, breathing entity within the Roblox ecosystem. Now, let's talk about the experience of playing. It can be incredibly exhilarating. Imagine being in a tense standoff, trying to anticipate your opponent's moves, and then, with a perfectly timed action, you secure the coveted Brainrot. The rush of accomplishment is palpable. Conversely, there will be times when you're outplayed, when your strategy falls short, and you have to laugh it off and try again. This balance of triumph and playful defeat is what makes competitive gaming so addictive. The community around Steal a Brainrot is also a significant part of its appeal. Players often share their strategies, their funniest moments, and their theories about upcoming Brainrots on social media and forums. This collaborative spirit enhances the overall experience. You're not just playing a game, you're participating in a vibrant, ongoing conversation. It's a space where you can connect with others who share your passion for this unique brand of digital fun. It's important to remember that while the game is called Steal a Brainrot, it's all about friendly competition and creative expression. The Brainrot isn't something negative. It's a symbol of cleverness and being in on the latest trend. The game encourages players to think outside the box, to be adaptable, and to embrace the unexpected. It's a fantastic way to sharpen your problem-solving skills in a low-stakes, high-entertainment environment. The developers have also been very mindful of creating a positive and inclusive space While the game is competitive, the emphasis is always on fun and fair play. They've implemented systems to ensure that the community remains a welcoming place for everyone, which is something we always appreciate seeing in the gaming world. Responsible game design is key to long-term success and player satisfaction. For those of you who are new to Roblox or perhaps haven't delved into this particular game, I highly recommend giving STOLE Brainrot a try. It's a fantastic example of how innovative and engaging experiences can be built within the Roblox platform. It's a game that rewards wit, encourages creativity, and fosters a strong sense of community. You might just find yourself completely hooked on the thrill of the chase and the satisfaction of outsmarting your fellow players. The beauty of games like STOLE Brainrot is that they constantly push the boundaries of what's possible in virtual worlds. They demonstrate that gaming can be more than just a pastime. It can be a platform for social interaction, creative expression, and even a form of digital art. The Brainrot itself, as a concept, is a clever way to gamify the spread of ideas and trends, making it a truly unique proposition. So whether you're a seasoned Roblox veteran or a curious newcomer, STOLE Brainrot offers an experience that is both challenging and incredibly rewarding. It's a game that will make you think, make you laugh, and keep you coming back for more. It's a testament to the power of imagination and the joy of shared digital experiences. Thank you so much for joining me today as we explored the fascinating world of STOLE Brainrot on Roblox. I hope this deep dive has given you a better understanding of what makes this game so special and why it's captured the attention of so many players. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. We've got plenty more exciting explorations of the gaming universe coming your way. Until next time, happy gaming!